Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Pubg Mobile on PC keyboard. Install a compatible Android emulator, then open emulator settings and enable keyboard mapping immediately. Create a custom control profile, assign WASD for movement, keys for inventory and fire, and save the layout. Test in training mode to adjust sensitivity and recoil control. Keep performance options tuned to reduce input lag for consistent gameplay. In this video, I will show how to play Pubg Mobile on PC keyboard. Start mapping core controls like movement, aim, fire, and inventory first so you have basic functionality. Use reachable keys for quick actions like grenades and healing, and consider alt layers for vehicle or prone controls. Save multiple profiles for different weapon setups and switch profiles when needed. Practice a few matches to lock in muscle memory. In this video, I will show how to play Pubg Mobile on PC keyboard. Tweak emulator resources like CPU cores and RAM, then prioritize frame rate over ultra graphics for smoother inputs. Optimize in-game settings by reducing shadows and effects to minimize frame drops. Use a wired mouse and keyboard to cut wireless latency, and close background apps that steal CPU cycles. Regularly update drivers for best compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.